Thank you for purchasing a Swinger Manufacturing hopper mower. My name is John Erdesy, President and CEO of Swinger Manufacturing. Today I'm going to go through the programming procedures for the Generation 2 control boxes. This procedure is the same for either the AC or DC models. To start with, you'll have a remote that looks like this. This is a 3-button gamma remote. It's possible if you have an older unit you could have a 4-button or even a 2-button, but the most common what you'll see is the 3-button remote. You can do up to 9 remotes per control box. Here I'll just be doing 2, but the procedure is the same for anything after 2. This is the AC control box. Of course you can tell because it has a power source which is AC. We'll begin with unplugging the power, which is the top right hand connection on the box. Now, while holding down any button on the remote, you'll see the blue light come on. You restore power to the box and you'll see the motor tap, as so. Then you go directly to the next remote, press any button. It'll tap the motor again. Then if you have a third remote, you would go to that, press the button again, and so forth all the way up to 9 remotes. After 5 seconds of inactivity, the programming mode will end and you'll now be ready to use your remotes. All right, next we'll do a Generation 2 12-volt box. We'll begin by removing the power from the box, which is the top right-hand connection. Taking your remote, holding down any button while the blue light comes on, and while holding down that button, restore power and it will tap the motor, as so. Go to your next remote, press any button. Go to your next remote, press any button. Wait about 5 seconds. Programming mode will end, and then you'll be able to use your remotes normally. And then also on the control box. The biggest problem that people have when programming these controllers is that they remove power after each remote. You only have to remove the power the one time to begin the programming mode.